Good morning, student. This is TYBSc Physics, Semester 4, Paper 3rd, Thermodynamics and Statistical Physics. Now, the next article is Basic Postulates of Statistical Mechanics. In basic postulates for some statistical mechanics, there are following are the for application of statistical mechanics to gases, certain fundamental postulates are made. There are some points are there. First one is any gas under consideration may be considered to be composed of large number of molecules which are constantly in motion and behave like a very small elastic sphere. They are random motion and continuously moving in all possible directions. Then second one, all the cells in phase space are of equal size. Their size is equal. Then third one is all accessible microstates corresponding to possible macrostates are equally possible probable. This is the most fundamental and hence important postulate of statistical mechanics. For example, if we consider as earlier the distribution of four distinguishable particles A, B, C and D in two cells, that is I and J cell. Okay, we have already discussed in four particles in probability. Then first probability is probability of microstate, that is 4 comma 0, that is four particles are A, B, C, D comma 0. Then equation is 1 upon 2 to the power 4 is equal to 1 upon 16. Then second probability is 3 comma 1. Then A, B, C comma D. Then equation is 1 upon 2 to the power 3 into 1 upon 2 is equal to 1 upon 16. Then fourth one is 2 comma 2 AB comma CD. The equation is 1 upon 2 to the power square into 1 upon 2 to the power square is equal to 1 upon 16. Then fourth one is 0 comma 4. Then 0 comma ABCD is equal to 1 upon 2 to the power 4 is equal to 1 upon 16. Thus we can conclude that the probability of all accessible microstates of the system is equal. Equal means their answer is 1 upon 16. Their 4 comma 0, 3 comma 0 is 1 upon 16. 2 comma 2 is 1 upon 16 and 0 comma 4 is 1 upon 16. Answer is equal. From these postulates, it follows that the probability of occurrence of a given macrostate is proportional to the number of microstate. Thus, the probability P of E of the system possessing energy E is proportional to the thermodynamic probability W of E. W is the thermodynamic probability. That is P of E is directly proportional to W of E. Or P of E is equal to C into W of E, where C is the constant of proportionality. Fourth one is the equilibrium state of a gas corresponds to the macro state of maximum probability. Then fifth one is the total number of molecules is constant. This is an accordance with the principle of conservation of matter. All molecules are constant; they are not changing. That's why the principle. That's why the accordance with the principle of conservation of matter. Conservation matter means they cannot lose, they cannot create. That is what conservation of matter. If N1 is the number of molecules in cell 1, N2 in cell 2, N3 in cell 3, N4 in cell 4 and so on etc. If N is the total number of molecules, then N1 plus N2 plus N3 is equal to up to Ni. The equation is summation of Ni is equal to simply N is equal to constant. This is equation number 1. Then the total energy of the system is constant. Okay, this is again in accordance with the conservation of energy. We already studied in the conservation of the matter. Then the conservation of energy of the system. If E1 is the energy of each particle in cell 1, E2 in cell 2, E3 in cell 3, and so on. And E is the total energy, then E1 N1 is equal E1 N1 plus E2 N2 plus E3 N3 up to EI into Ni, summation of over all system in E, summation of EI into Ni is equal to capital E is equal to constant. This is the basic postulate of statistical mechanics. Now next one is the postulates of equal or priori probability. Continue to this article, postulates of equal or priori probability. It is a basic postulate in statistical mechanics. Consider a system of two distinguishable particles or molecules A and B. It is assumed that these molecules can have only one of the three energy values E1, E2 and E3, such that both of them cannot have the same energy. E1 will be same, E1 is not equal to E2 or E3 not equal to E3. Their energy always separate E1, E2 and E3. There are six different ways in which this can occur as shown in table 1. Thus, the system has six accessible macrostates. The table are listed in distribution of two molecules in three energy levels. Which one? E1, E2 and 3. E3. We have two molecules A and B and separated in three energy levels. This is energy level of E1. E1 energy level A, B, A, B, and then two are the vacant space. Then E2 A into B, B into A, BA to vacant and AB. Then E3 gets first two are the vacant, then BA, B means this A and this B, BA, then AB and this BA. This is the distribution of two molecules in three energy levels. Now the system can be in any one of the accessible state. In other words, all the accessible states are equal probable. This leads us to the basic postulate of equal a priori probability. We have already discussed in all 4 comma 0, 3 comma 1, 2 comma 2, or 3 comma 1, or 0 comma 4 are same answer 1 upon 16. This is the equal priority probability. All accessible macrostates correspond to the possible macrostate are equally probable. Okay, this is the postulates of equal priority